The most important things in editing with Blender, you can change for the visual style. So as example, I will go into edit mode. And if you want to change the visual style, you can click these icons in the top right for the wireframe view. This is wireframe. In wireframe, you can see for the edge and vertex behind the objects. As default, will be set into the solid mode. This is solid mode. You can see the back edge or vertex in this object. So you can change into this option wireframe to view all edge, also vertex in one object. Another you can set into this option for the material per view. If you apply the material, it will be show the material into the object and also in the rendering view. So this is for the rendering result. As default, will be set into the solid view. Another option, you also can use the X-ray view by clicking at this icon. So to be show the transparency for the object. Okay, as default, you can inactive the X-ray and use the solid tools. You also can press Z button to show the visual style on your mouse. You can set like into material per view, press Z again into rendering, or you can set into wireframe. Next, you can set into solid as default. To change between the X-ray view, you can press Alt and then press Z to change into X-ray view. You can press Alt again into Z to back into the default. You also can change the X-ray and combine by using material, rendering per view, or the solid per view.